Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So Instagram have added a new feature that is notes in a camera roll, not the one that we were seeing above. Okay, so basically I will show you in my mobile screen. This is a useless update. I mean, if you have not received, you don't have to wait for this. If you will see, I will click on the camera roll and I will go to story, and here if I will drag this, you can see the note option is there. Okay, so it is similar to the story. If you see, if I will click or record something, and if I will click on next something something something, I will be able to share it as a story. Yeah, and there is nothing difference. It was similar like for the story also. Like if you will click something or record something, you can share it to your story. So there is nothing new or anything useful. I mean, this is there is of no use. The things it is working, it is already there in Instagram story. So this was a new update. So I hope you will find this video useful.